You know that some fish, like these convict cichlids, form monogamous pair bonds? And they don't just breed together, there's actually scientific evidence that they form an emotional attachment to their partner. Scientists figured this out by taking advantage of something called judgment bias. Basically, when an individual is feeling happy, they tend to make more optimistic choices, and when they're feeling down or depressed, they tend to make more pessimistic choices. The scientists trained female cichlids to learn that white boxes would always have food inside, and black boxes would always be empty, or vice versa. Once the fish had learned this, they would open a box much more quickly if it was the color that they had learned to associate with food. Then, to see how optimistic the fish were, the researchers measured how quickly the fish would open an ambiguous gray box. The more optimistic a fish was, the faster she would open the gray box. The scientists let the female fish choose which of two males they wanted to mate with. Then, they either let the female stay with her chosen partner or forced her to be with the male that she had previously rejected, and they assessed how optimistic she was before and after. When females got to stay with their preferred mate, their level of optimism stayed the same. But when their preferred mate was taken away and replaced with the other male, the females exhibited a significant decrease in optimism. And the more she preferred her chosen mate over the other male, the more pessimistic she became once her chosen mate was taken away. Just like human couples, convict cichlid couples work together to raise their offspring, and couples who get along better tend to have more successful families. So convict cichlids probably evolved the capacity for emotional attachments for the same reason that we did, because having positive feelings towards a compatible partner makes you want to stay with them. Follow for more content about animal intelligence.